Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now, in my previous video, I mentioned the What's on My Desk video, which I'll put up right there. I mentioned that I would be doing a month spread layout in my planner for my creative projects for the month of June. And so a girl's got to come through on her word. And so here we are. And considering today is the first day of June, and hopefully it'll be up on June 1st. If not, it'll be up on June 2nd. I am going to attempt to use exclusively the Happy Planner watercolor stickers that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, as well as these fine tip markers, Pen and Gear, Walmart, and just some washi that I have. I don't have a lot. Now this is probably about 2/3 of it. The rest of the skinny ones are in smaller pencil cases in a drawer, and I don't use them that often. I took the liberty of just putting 1 and 30 on here to indicate where the month would start and stop. And I'm left-handed, so bear with me if I, make you a little bit dizzy. It's not intentional, but yeah, that is kind of how we got to adapt, right? So this is a busy month for me, and I'm sure it will be for you. If you are planning outdoor events, doing a little bit of sightseeing, trips, that's 11, 12. See, I can't be talking while I'm trying to count too. Y'all gonna make me mess up. And the kids are out from school. Well, up north, I think they don't get out until the end of June. Am I right? Yeah, I think we used to get out like the 3rd to 4th week in June, but I'm not certain this year because of the fact that a lot of the schools, it was like a hybrid schedule where they schooled from home a few days a week or a few months out the year, and then I don't know. I have nieces and nephews still back home, so but I'm not up on their schedule. Nevertheless, I'm sure many of you are either your children are already out of school, or you're looking forward to them being home. Well, maybe you're looking forward to them being home, maybe not. Let me not speak for you. But because I school from home, have done so for the past, Josh is going 5th grade, for the past 6 years, and a year prior to pre-K. I'm just happy to not have to be logging on and logging in and checking grades and pulling homework and all that, all of the stuff that come with it. At this point, I think 90% of Americans understand what homeschool life is like, with the exception of having to find their own curriculum. But I ain't had to do that either, so thank God for small miracles. All right, so now let me find what theme I want to go with here. And a lot of times I'll watch the planner girls, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I would have never even thought to do it that way, because of how they lay out their stickers. I just be like, oh, that's interesting. All right, so let me find a way to highlight some of the important dates. Okay, when is Father's Day? I know it's on a Sunday this year, right? Josh's birthday is the 14th. Hubby's birthday is the 23rd. So I've got to find a way to, let's see. I know they got a sticker that say something like birthday or something, right? Let me bring y'all along in the process. Okay, so they've got to have something in here. Have your mind, have a place. No. I think this is more for the weekly planners. Is it? Messy bun getting stuff done. Isn't that cute? Huh. Okay, let me stay on task here. Okay, so let's put hearts on those days, and then we'll make them really. Here we go. All right, so I'm just going to give Josh a blue star for his birthday. So that's the 14th. And then we'll give James a green. That's the 23rd. Maybe, you know what? Hold on a second. Let me put that down right there. Let me use a little washi on Dad's. Do I have some thin washi? I do. Because I got to cover up that writing. You think I would have kind of, you know, thought that through a little bit, but whatever, you know, it's okay. Now at this point, because I know that I'm going to overthink this, I am not going to have you guys, let me turn this around. I'm not going to bore you with me sitting here debating and deliberating on stickers. So what I'm going to do, y'all got better things to do. What I'm going to do is I am going to put the rest to music, and then I will come back when this is done. Okay? And that's for your enjoyment, not necessarily for mine. Okay? Although I am going to enjoy putting all the stickers down. Okay, so here we go now. Okay, so here we are. We have the complete, or should I say completed, month of June creative planner spread. And I just did this just so I could have something cute to look at as I scheduled this month's projects and creations and swaps and whatever else, collabs, because there's a collab coming up. Actually, there's two of them, so stay tuned for that. And so I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you pull out your planner or your calendar, a piece of paper, and jot down the month of June if you have spare time. If you don't have any spare time schedule, go ahead and jot down some things that you're inspired to do, and perhaps when, as time allows and as your schedule opens up, you'll have the opportunity to tackle some of those things and get some things accomplished. So, plan to succeed, and therefore you'll make the most of your time. All right. So anyways, thanks for watching and for just coming back and hanging out with me. And so until we're back here together on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Make June amazing, or should I say fabulous? Our fabulous fam. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.